बता स्माइल कर तू. Hello viewers, welcome to yet another unboxing video. Today we will be unboxing this package which contains my first ABCD books. है ना? चलो unboxing करो. बोल बोल हाँ डिस्क्रिप्शन आप. Mama has bought this from Amazon during the Big Billion Sale. Come on, let's unbox this package and see the books coming out of the package. Hey. One minute, Aditi. चलो बताओ बताना बताओ. बुक्स काढ़ी बताओ. Oh, ABCD kids book. There are still 3 more books in this package. See, other 2 with vegetables, and this is with fruits, and this cost around 169 rupees. That's all about this unboxing video. Thank you for watching. बता vegetables, fruits and ABC books. बता. Oh, elephant, brinjal, capsicum, garlic, potato, radish, bottle gourd, cauliflower, peas. This one with fruits contains banana, apple, mango, grape, strawberry, pomegranate, watermelon, guava, cherry, pear, melon, peach, pineapple, plum, jambul, lychee, kiwi, papaya, sapodilla, blueberry, avocado, and this the ABCD for ball, B for ball, C for cake, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fruits, G for grapes, H for horse, L for ice cream, A for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for strawberry, U for umbrella, W for watermelon, and xylophone, A for X, Z for zebra. That's all about this unboxing video. Thank you for watching. Aditi, bye bye karo. Bye bye.